have a big lips, and everything. Yes, huwag kang mag-ganyan-ganyan. Ma-restricted lang ako. Listen to them. Pumpkin. Good morning. Anak, natulog to the screen. Serious naman, ayaw mag-listen. Pwede naman ako. No, anak. Pwede naman ako. You go there, please. I'm working. Okay, with you? I'm working. Okay. That's to be kayo. Ako mag-all-defense. Tignan ko ikaw. Ano nang gagawin mo daan? Hindi pwede. Ulit ako. Anak naman. Uy, sabi ko, prank ko yan! That's my best friend. It's that. A guy with glasses in a mouth. Ilyas, you listen to me, ha? I'm not playing here. Ba't bago pa yung computer? You go there ka. Go there ka. Sa other table. You write your name. Give me your pencil. Dapat yung papi. Tulog pa. Anak, you listen to me. Matagulog ako. Nanonood ka. You're bothering me. Kasi hindi mawala na. Yes, ha? I'm telling you to be obedient. Do the change. Change. I said the change. I know. I said the change. Stop. No. No. I'm not. You sound it. I know. Quiet. Okay, fine. Yeah. Good morning po, Ma'am Lady and Red Fire. Maraming salamat po sa support at pagmamahal. Highly appreciated po. Apo. Support ko po kayo pala.